Hello friends, welcome to Yaya Spoon. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and thank you. Looking for a weeknight-friendly meal? I've got you covered. Stuffed zucchini boats, a low-carb meal, perfect answer to a hectic weeknight when you want to prepare a simple, nutritious dinner. Zucchini provides several antioxidants, and the highest levels are found in the zucchini skin. So let's get to cooking. The ingredients I'm using today include 1 pound of ground Italian turkey sausage. You can substitute the turkey for beef, chicken, or pork, whatever you like. 3 to 4 medium uniformly sized zucchinis. 1 jar spaghetti sauce. This will save you time, but feel free to make your own if you'd like. A half an onion. That's going to be a small onion. 2 cloves of garlic. Dash of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of fresh grated Parmesan cheese, and a 1/2 cup of fresh grated Mozzarella cheese. Get started by heating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a skillet. Once heated, add the meat, the turkey in this case, to brown. Add chopped onion and stir it in. Add minced garlic, add salt and pepper, then add oregano, and allow all the flavors to come together for about 10 to 15 minutes. While the meat is browning, we'll prepare the zucchinis by rinsing them and cutting off the ends. Then slice each one lengthwise as evenly as possible. You can also stand them up like I do, or keep them flat to slice them. Grab a spoon to gently spoon out some of the inner pulp from each zucchini. They'll end up looking like little boats that will hold the sauce nicely. Set the pulp aside in a bowl because we'll add that to the sauce. And if you break one like I did, use a little less muscle scooping, but it'll all taste great. Return to the meat in the skillet and add the zucchini pulp while stirring and allow it to cook a little bit longer. Last, add the jar of sauce. You can add a little bit of water to the jar and shake it to grab any leftover sauce. Then stir together. Turn down the heat, cover, and allow it to simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes. When time's up, check the meat and taste it in case it needs additional salt or pepper. In this case, it's perfect, so I don't need to add anything else. Now, allow the meat sauce to cool down before spooning into each zucchini boat. I'm using a 1/4 cup to distribute the sauce. Top with mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. They are ready for the oven. I didn't do this, but I do recommend adding some of the leftover sauce to the bottom of the baking pan before transferring the zucchini boats to the oven to bake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn on the oven broiler option to brown the tops for an additional 5 minutes. Be sure to stay close by when broiling because it doesn't take long to burn. Now it's time to remove it from the oven. Looks perfect and smells amazing. Can't wait to dig in. Time to serve up and taste. I added a side of sauce because I love it. You should have extra sauce to do the same. The zucchini is nice and tender, and the meat sauce makes it taste sinfully delicious, even though it's low carb and healthy, or better said, less guilt with tons of flavor. Pair with a nice glass of red wine. Oh yeah. Indulge and enjoy, my friends. Remember, sharing is caring. Enjoy, guys. You got this, and God bless. If you found this video to be helpful, please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming recipes. And feel free to leave any comments or questions, and please let me know if you decide to try the recipe.